You have a no hair growth. Here you have it. So your one line like this, and like this brush, you add a smudge up.
I know you like Nkechi Jollof, Nkechi Jollof. I know you like my beans,
So I opened it and I hope it has not expired. I don't know. So this is how it is. This is how it looks like. I'm just going to be popping it into the pot. Add 2 parts of water to 1 part of praised palm cream and boil for 20 minutes. So that's what is written here. So I'm not going to be popping this into the pot. Let me just turn the burner on. Yeah, my meat is here. Okay guys, so I had to use spoon to scoop it out. It's actually thick and I'm just beginning to wonder, like, how were they able to get this, you know, like this consistency. You know, everything in Canada, I don't know how it's, you know, whether it's in a liquid form from when they import it, but you know how things get really hard. Like my shea butter is hard, my coconut oil has been blocked since 2019 I came, and my stock cubes are always getting hard. It's usually in the summer, that's when it tends to get a little bit soft, but all through winter, fall and spring is usually hard. So like I'm just thinking, like, how, like the producers, how did they come about this? Because this is, well, I'm not going to say it's genius still. I'm sure the heat has melted it. Hopefully the heat is going to melt it. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing is very thick. So right from the description, it says add 2 parts of water to 1 part of praised palm cream. This is very thick, and I have a feeling that when it eventually, you know, gets soft, it's even going to be extremely thick. I added just 1 cup of water, the regular cup I use, but this is going to be very thick. So I'm going to get this off from the burner. I already turned it off, and I'm going to take it down and wait till my meat is ready and I can get the stock. Then I pour it into here and see. You guys can see. So thick. I'm going to need a lot of water. Now I'm thinking that the oil I plan to use, not the oil, the meat I plan to use may be small for this thing, because this is so big, guys. So big.
all because of. If you did not put Obi inside your OFE AKWU, I don't know what you gain for this life. So this is me. I'm just going to put it on the burner just to burn a little bit. Then I'll just squash it into the pot. And I have here with me blended onions and fresh red peppers. I also put in dry fish, since I'm just, like, I had a lot of okporoko inside, so I just took 1 small dry fish. And yay, this is my OFE AKWU in all of its glory.
Most Empire.
Gosh guys, so this is the before and the after. This shit is painful, guys. So this is the before and after.
When 3 months is a line is straight. You have a no hair growth. Here you have it. So your one line like this, and like this brush you add a smudge up, and slowly hair came up.
So guys, I'm back home and this is what it is. She even had to shade. I don't know if it was in the video. Like she took a brow gel just to shade to show me, yeah, I know that I don't have hair around here, and it was kind of like a mistake in when I was carving my brows one sometime maybe like 4 years ago, but you cannot say that my hair hasn't grown. And she should have noticed that I'm not even taking out hair from here since I don't even have anything, you know. When she finished this one, like I could feel her, treading, this part, treading it down. And when she finished, I was like, no, I want a lift. You can't tread my brows and not give my face a lift. Yeah, I want a lift. Now, I read that it's not really good when you've threaded your brows and you go back to using razor blades. That's what I read. I don't know how true it is, because it's going to irritate that region and probably cause bumps in the future. Because I mean, with threading, you're like plucking out the brows from the roots, and with carving or shaping with brows is just cutting off the hairs, like not directly from the root. So I really don't like this. Like, the painful part is it's supposed to last for like give or take maybe 2 months. Some people say 3 months, but I'm hoping because my hair grows fast, so I'm hoping my hair grows back faster so that I could probably use a blade, and I'm not going to care what's going to happen, or go to like a proper salon, because where I went to was like a house in the basement, and so the salon in the basement, in quotes, isn't finished yet. So I'd rather just go to like a proper salon, like a store that I know that it's a salon and they have everything there. Well, anyways, that's it. No hard feelings, because I mean, I still do most of my business in my house. So no hard feelings for people who don't have a proper store. But I'm just not going to be using her again when next I want to thread my brows. Like I said, I'll just go to, and someone gave me like a link to go to Fairview Mall, but it was just a long drive and I didn't have any reason to go to Fairview. So it just didn't make sense going all the way there. I don't drive, so Stanley has to be the one to take me there, and it just didn't make any sense. So I thought to fill you guys in. So this is the brows. This is what it's looking like. Just to fill you guys in on like what it looks like. Now, looking at it with all of the bright lights in the house, it doesn't look too bad. But when she was done, I was like, oh my god, I feel like I just wasted money. But anyways, no pain, because I paid about $4, so I gave her 2 tunis. I wanted to give her like a $5 bill, trust me, but I wasn't just ready to part with $1 extra, because the coins was going to be like very important for me, because I read the boss. But I was like, a $5 bill, that extra $1, no, I don't like the job, so I'm not going to be dashing any extra money. Anyways, I'll see you guys. I don't know when this video is going to go up. I'm still on my YouTube break, so I'm sure I'm going to be saying I'm still on my YouTube break for every video that is going to come up whenever I eventually go back to the tube. Okay, guys. Yeah. Bye.
Meanwhile.
So guys, this is me just trying to, well, I won't say cook, just bake this chicken, because this was one of those days where I felt like I didn't want to cook. So I'm just trying to garnish my chicken and just marinate it for just a few hours. I think I just marinated it for just 1 or 2 hours. And this is V's food signature seasoning mix, or signature spice. Remember, I mentioned the spice in the last vlog, and this spice is the truth. I use it for my meat, chicken, fish, jollof rice, stew. I love it better in jollof rice and my meat. So this is how it looks like. Like I said, they deliver all over Canada, US, and they also have it available in Nigeria, so you don't really have to pay delivery fee in dollars, so you can get it in Nigeria and pay your delivery fee in naira.
Many months later.
It's gonna be a gorgeous day. Oh, it looks perfect, and it's nice already. Like it's super nice. Oh yeah, I'm so happy about that because I didn't have her coat. Yeah. I bought something. I went and bought something at a dress. Yeah. Yeah. My sister's patting my butt the whole time. Oh my god. Oh, we're kissing? Yeah, we're kissing.
Many months later.
Another weekend, another wedding. I can't remember, I think this was a Sunday or a Saturday. I had a bridal job, so most of my bridal jobs I end up going to the bride's house, but for other makeup jobs you have to come to me. So this is just what my setup looks like, and this is my lovely bride.
I go tell them, say lie, don't be lie, yeah. I fit to spend a lot of my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say no, yeah. Waiting me dad, nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through, mama. Sorry,
you can smile.
waiting me dad, nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. My shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, my baby.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting.
If you've seen my last unboxing video, food items I brought from Nigeria, you remember that there was okpa flour there. So I decided to make this okpa. I think it was in November.
One eternity later.
So this is just me trying to pepper you guys again. This jollof rice and smoked turkey is from January 2022. So yes, I had to merge this into the vlog so that I can pepper you guys again. I'll see you all in my next one. I hope you enjoy this one. Bye guys.